Hey everyone, welcome back to QuizBird. Ready to play Would You Rather? Gross Edition. Before we start, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Ready? Here we go. Would you rather eat a worm or a grasshopper? Would you rather have to smell stinky socks all day or never be able to brush your teeth again? Would you rather have to lick a frog or touch a slug? Would you rather eat a booger-flavored jelly bean or an earwax-flavored one? Would you rather step in a pile of mud barefoot or sit in a puddle? Would you rather have to clean up dog poop or cat vomit? Would you rather drink a spoonful of pickle juice or a spoonful of hot sauce? Would you rather find a spider in your food or a worm in your drink? Would you rather have to wear the same underwear for a week or the same socks? Drink from a mud puddle or eat yellow snow? Would you rather have to crawl through a tunnel filled with slime or a tunnel filled with mud? Would you rather pull off a fingernail or pull out a tooth? Choose one. Eat a piece of gum you found on the ground or eat a handful of sour gummy worms that fell in the mud. Would you rather have a water balloon fight with chocolate milk or with orange juice? Would you rather have to walk barefoot on a path covered in jelly or pudding? Would you rather have to sleep in a tent with mice or spiders? Would you rather have smelly feet or smelly hair? Pick one, drink a glass of sour milk, or eat a piece of rotten fruit. Would you rather pet a wet dog or a scaly fish? Pick one. Live in a pig pen or in a bird cage? Use someone else's toothbrush or use your phone after it falls into a toilet? Wear gloves filled with whipped cream or socks filled with pudding? Dig for treasure in a sandbox filled with rotten eggs or one filled with moldy cheese? Would you rather put your hand into a bucket of fish eggs or tadpoles? Would you rather have to eat a popsicle made of lemon juice or a popsicle made of hot sauce? Would you rather have a pet that drools a lot or one that sheds a lot? Would you rather smell like a skunk all the time or smell like an onion? Would you rather drink dirty water or swim in a pool of dirty water? Would you rather eat a spider or have spiders crawl on you for 1 minute? Last one. Would you rather jump into a pool filled with ladybugs or snails? Thanks for watching QuizBird. Please like and subscribe for more great videos. Keep the fun rolling and choose your next challenge.